watch this. I'm gonna take a normal design like this and turn it into solid gold using just one AI prompt. Not a gold color, not a gold gradient. I mean realistic gold metal, reflections, shine, and depth. And the craziest part, we're not stopping at the AI design. We're gonna be printing it out using DTF on our website, press it onto a real shirt. So today I'm showing you how to turn any design into gold using Kittl AI and actually wearing it. All right, guys, we are here on Kittl, but I want to show you guys what I've already kind of preset for you guys. It's a couple of samples that I've actually used with the prompt. So I already have a couple of artboards here. We got Soul of Cosmic. We've made it completely gold. I'm gonna be honest with you. This one was kind of shaky. I didn't know how it was gonna come out, but I honestly do like the way it came out. It definitely looks like real gold. Nano Banana 2 definitely put in some work. Yeah, I like the layout with it. It has just generally a nice type of layout. The next one I did Welcome of the Ancients, the Kittl apparel. For some reason, when I did remove background, the Kittl apparel I kind of knocked off. I don't know why, so we just took it out. Either way, it looks good. I like the transparency in the mouth too as well. Everything about it looks nice. It looks neat. Yeah, guys, this one came out really well, and it was just one prompt. So the next one we did with this like girl, like anime type character, and I honestly hadn't kind of like zero hopes with this one, but it came out pretty clean too. Kind of add more freckles onto her face too. Looks nice. I like how they added the "don't care the way you see me" onto the right, but as like engravings with the gold, so it looks like one whole piece. So it looks nice. I like it a lot. I think this is just gonna basically make any image you give it a whole different upgrade for sure. So I have this one to mess around with now, guys. I like this image a lot, especially since it says all that glitters is not gold. At that point, I'm like, yeah, this one needs an upgrade for sure. It looks nice already, but I think we could definitely give it a whole different upgrade. So let's click on the artboard, and then on the remix image, we're gonna go to our prompt gold, copy the prompt, go back, paste the prompt, and then generate. We're using Nano Banana 2, and then we also do have 2 image input, but you could easily do 4 images, 3 images, it doesn't matter. I like to do 2 images because I don't like a lot of options. I only like 2, so I could choose either way. Yeah, if you guys like a lot more, be my guest, go ahead, you could exchange that. I'm just doing 2 for my sanity. All right, guys, it came out phenomenal. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know which one I like the most. The left one looks like kind of like beaten up jewelry. You know, like you've worn it for a while. The right looks clean. It looks like you just got it. So I'm gonna take the left one out. We're gonna bring the right one in. Let's remove the background. Let's see how clean this goes. Removes the background, pretty clean. I'm gonna bring it out to the right. Yeah, pretty clean. I like that. Awesome. So I'm gonna just bring it to the edge. All right. Honestly, it looks a lot better. Like it kind of glows a little bit more, but I like it. Let's get to downloading. We're just gonna click on the artboard, and then we're gonna straight off just export.
Hey superstars, if you just watched this and you're thinking, how do I do this myself? Well, we put everything together onto one guide, every prompt we use, word for word, the exact effects you just saw today, ready to copy and paste straight into AI. It's called the DTF Prompt Playbook. The link is in the description below. Everything you need to start making the designs like this today. Now back to your video.
After that, let's go to our website, and this is how easy you could do it. Since your prints are already DTF printable now, go to order transfer by size. All right, looks clean. I like it. We're at 19-inch height and 16-inch. We were at a 20 by 20 on the artboard, so it does make sense for it to be this big, but that's good too. We're gonna put it at 11-inch width at an aspect ratio of a 13-inch height. So that's not that bad. Let's add to cart and let's get this printed. Want professional grade designs without the steep learning curve? That's where Kittl comes in. It's the ultimate shortcut for designing and editing artwork in one place. Best of all, you can get 25% off of any plan when you use my link in the description. Stop searching for the next move and go build something with Kittl. All right, guys, we got the print. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
All right, guys, let's take a closer look here. Oh, that glitter is not gold. It looks clean. I love the look on it. Revolution established. The barcode, everything looks so solid and it looks ridiculously real. I can't even lie to you, all right, guys? I know on camera, of course, it looks real, but even in real life, it looks good, guys. All right, let's look in the back real quick, too. I just want to see how clean these edges are. Yeah, guys, Kittl did phenomenal. It did so well. All right. I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Let's get this pressed. First, let's get this cut. Awesome. Looks good. Let's get it pressed. For this perfect design, it needs a perfect canvas. So we decided to go with a 402 Smart Blanks Black Tee. It is premium without the premium cost. For our heat press, we actually have our Fever 15x15 heat press. For both of those, guys, if you're interested, we'll put the links in the description below. Let's get started. For our heat press, let's turn it on. We're gonna do 300 degrees, a 10-second press time, and then heavy pressure, guys, okay? This is what we have set. I know usually we do 7-second press time, but for this heat press, exactly one does 5-second intervals. We're doing 10 seconds, okay, guys? Now, also, we are gonna be doing our heat press laser. I already have it on right here, but it's gonna help us align properly, guys, okay? So I already have the laser lined up. Let's just align our shirt now. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of put it up towards the seams, make it a little bit easier. We want the collar to not be interfering at all on the platform, okay? We want it to be on the edge, basically very much on the tip of the edge, okay? And then we're just going to kind of straighten this out, making sure that every inch is aligned, okay, guys? All right, this is looking good. For our design, I do notice that it's a little bit oversized. I believe it still fits a 15x15 platform, but I do notice that it has a little bit of a rise. So what we're gonna have to do is kind of align this like this on the tip of that G. After that, you're just gonna bring it up the shirt, okay? Making sure you're doing it slowly because you don't want to misalign this at all, okay? Let's bring it up a little bit more. It's still not all the way on that platform. All right. Okay, this might take a couple of presses because the edges are not always fine on pressure, so we wanna make sure everything is set. All right, this looks good. Let's get to pressing. If you had a bigger platform, you probably won't have to press it as much. But again, I do want this to come out properly. So I am just gonna go up a little bit off of the edge, just so we can have that room. Okay, awesome. Now we're just gonna nick the side and then full peel. Wow, that came out really nice. So we wanna keep the shine, So we want to eliminate the amount of craters in the sense. We're not going to use a matte finishing sheet for this. We're just going to use a regular sheet to kind of give it more of a finer finish. All right. Wow, that came out nice. All right. Let's go take a closer look at this, guys. All right, guys, let's take a closer look here. I gotta be honest with you. This came out phenomenal. I love the way that it has so much detail on towards the face, even the little scar, and like they actually sculpted this on purpose. It looks good, guys. The little scratches around the side. This looks good. This looks expensive for sure. But even just the shirt alone, it's a big size design. This came out really good, guys. All right, Kittl did it again. Again, if you guys want to take your own chance with this prompt and make your graphic look premium, please definitely do, okay? Because I think we did a phenomenal job on this. All right, guys. From plain design to luxury fashion, the graphic goes from digital artwork to a fully finished realistic gold design on a real t-shirt. Start to finish, concept, creation, print, and press. If you learned something new or got inspired, hit the like button, comment gold for the prompt, and subscribe for more DTF tips and creative breakdowns. See you on the next one.